Hello, if you've seen my stuff before, good. Welcome back. If you haven't seen my stuff before, hello. How you doing? I'm Carl. I spent the last 6 years helping 1,500 plus people turn what they know into online courses, and so they can sell them around the world and make a shitload of money, basically. But up until this point, the key word there was expert. You know, you had to be an expert in your respective field or industry or niche to be essentially allowed to teach what you know with online courses, because before now, that was the only way. But with AI, you know, AI this, AI that, blah, blah, blah. But there's you can't deny the fact that AI is now so powerful that what it's done is it's just opened the door to everyone. Let's say you've been thinking about making an online course or digital product before, but you weren't quite sure how to create it, or you weren't sure if you knew enough to create it in the first place. Now with AI, it's never been easier. You can watch my previous videos where I walk through how to do that, but that's step one. Beyond that, you need to learn how to sell, you need to learn how to market, you need to learn how to grow an audience to sell it to, of course. But what you're seeing on my screen right now, that's my dashboard. That's basically pre-AI, really. That's what I'm seeing. So this is since 2018, 2017, 5.6 million. Did it 103,000 in sales in the last 30 days alone, with courses and digital products. And that's exactly what I help my own students with as well. And I want to show you inside my Inner Circle group. This is just one of many testimonials that I get shared in my Inner Circle group for people that work with me. Derek here, he applied my training in terms of using the webinar and utilizing Facebook organic traffic to make sales. And well, he made about 25 grand last week with what I teach. And he's good at what he does. He's been using aspects of AI to kind of supplement what he does as well, of course. But this is pre-AI. Now with AI, again, he's great at what he does. He focuses on the golf industry, the golf niche. But now, you know, the door is wide open to everyone, really. That is it. We can now use AI to do market research. We can use AI to find, profitable topics right now. It can find common questions answered within specific niches and arenas and hobbies, and then give us direct feedback of what it says from those findings, and it can allow us to craft online course content based on what it finds, and then you just go off and you sell it. That really is it. And there's always some fun stats on here, Statista.com. So revenue from online courses alone in 2025 is going to be 203 billion. Insane, ridiculous. I know that I'm tapping into a very small market of that, and also my clients are as well. But the most important thing is just doing it. Again, you probably watch all these videos of what you could do. Could be crypto, NFTs, all that bullshit. Nothing is more efficient and safer than creating digital products and online courses, because obviously with crypto and NFTs, let's forget those even existed. They were ridiculous. But crypto is obviously a real thing, but you need A, money to put in up front, and then B, you need to know what you're doing in terms of the trading of crypto and all that stuff. I don't trust myself, so I don't dabble with it personally. Those that do, they do very well, but it's not for me at this stage. But with courses, digital products, you can create one within a matter of days, or a day if you really wanted to. You can get a course structure dialed in, you can create it, you can record and edit it for free. The software I'm using right now is a free software called OBS Studio. I'm recording it right now. Then I've got some very low cost editing software, and then you can host it on something like Kajabi, which is very low cost. That's it. Then you can just market to an audience on Instagram, on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, wherever you want, for free, make sales, pretty much all profit. It's insane. And because of AI, this is the true AI gold rush. It really is. Because again, with AI, people think you need to make softwares and create new, AI companies and all this stuff and have services to help other people with AI. Not the case. You can just create a digital product around a topic that you can be passionate about, but if you don't feel like you know enough, that's fine. We can supplement it with AI, or you can find an entire new topic that you're not even familiar with, but we can now rely on AI so much that we can allow it to create us a curriculum around that topic that we know is going to genuinely help people. And then we can put that into a digital product. It could be a video course, it could be a PDF, it could be anything really. A video course does the best, I think, in terms of sales and conversions and actually helping people. But there's a few different formats that we can do. But the most important part is just doing it, taking action. Because again, maybe you watch all these videos, my videos included, and maybe they inspire you to a certain point, but you don't go beyond that point and actually just do it. That's where I come in. That's why I have a coaching program called Organic Course Selling Mastery that teaches you the entire process from start to finish for that exact reason, because people need a clear path, people need accountability, people need to actually talk to a real person. That's why I do coaching calls, live coaching calls with my students, to actually help them do this once and for all. And again, maybe up until this point, you've been, really like the idea of doing this, but you just didn't feel like you knew enough. Again, now there's no excuses. AI has just removed that excuse entirely. So there is no reason for you to not at least explore this as an option. So that's it. Very short to the point video in terms of just, again, the opportunity that really is waiting for you. But there's only one way to find out, and that's actually do it. So I'd love to see if I can help you. And I can help you in my coaching program. Again, it's been live since 2019. It's a well-established program that has been helping 1,500 plus other people do exactly this. Now it's your turn, potentially. I'd love to see if I can help you. So the only one way to find out, you can reach out below. You can book a call with me and my team, and we can kind of run through potential course ideas with you, and then see if what we do in my program can help you put all those steps in place, get you launched, get you selling. It's a lot of fun. It really is. So that's it. Book below, book that call, reach out to me personally if you have any questions, and let's have some fun.